How to set an HP printer as the default printer in Windows 11. From the taskbar, search for and select Printers and Scanners. Select your printer from the list. Then select Set as Default. If you do not see the Set as Default option, go back to the Printers and Scanners menu. Scroll down and make sure the toggle switch next to Let Windows manage my default printer is set to off. Once this option is turned off, select your printer again, and the Set as Default option should now be available. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.